Hello, everyone, and welcome to another video on Innovation Matters, the channel for all things technology and innovation management. I am DJ Primus, and in this video, we will look at how the installed base of a technological innovation and its complements can raise the overall value in a self-reinforcing cycle. This concept of a self-reinforcing cycle is particularly interesting in the context of examining the dynamics of a technology space to win a design battle, to build increasing returns to adoption, and/or to make better entry timing decisions, or all of the above. Let's begin with a quick look at the relationship between the value to the user and installed base of a technological innovation. One component of the value to users that is independent of the installed base is the standalone value. Kim and Wabania have published an excellent tool set for the assessment of standalone value, and the citation for that piece is shown below. In this example here, the innovation on the right actually has a higher standalone value than the one on the left. However, because of extra value that comes from a greater installed base and generates positive network externalities, the innovation on the left ends up providing higher overall value to users. Let's take a look at an example to see how this can happen with the help of a self-reinforcing cycle of installed base and complements. For the fun of it, let's look at gaming consoles. In this case here of gaming consoles, let's start with the installed base for the game consoles themselves. When the number in the installed base of game consoles increases, that creates a higher demand for games. So greater installed base, greater demand for the complement in this instance. As there's a higher demand for the complement for the games, this is going to attract developers for games. So we're developing more games, and this increases itself the availability of games. So the complement, the higher demand for complements attracts developers and raises the availability of games. That naturally should increase the number of gamers themselves. And with a higher number of gamers, we should see a greater demand for the gaming consoles. So in other words, the higher demand for the complements for the games also creates an increase in the installed base for the game consoles. So there you have it. This case illustrates how the self-reinforcing cycle between installed base and complements works, and how its dynamics raise the value to users and generate positive network externalities, which in this specific case, happens mostly via the availability of the complements that are the games. So that's it for this one. Thank you for watching as always. I hope you found it useful, and see you next time on Innovation Matters.